What if I tell you that one single AI tool can write, think, teach, create, and even help you earn money online? Yes, I'm talking about ChatGPT, the smartest AI assistant of 2026. In this complete video, you will learn what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can use it in daily life, studies, business, and content creation. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this tool can truly change your life. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powerful artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI. It understands human language and gives smart, accurate, and human-like answers. You can ask questions, generate ideas, write content, solve problems, learn new skills, and much more. In simple words, ChatGPT works like your personal AI assistant that is available 24 hours a day. How ChatGPT works? ChatGPT works using advanced machine learning and natural language processing technology. You just type your question, and within seconds, ChatGPT provides helpful responses. It can understand simple and complex queries and generate detailed explanations, step-by-step solutions, creative content, and professional-level writing. The better your question, the better result you will get. Uses for students. For students, ChatGPT is like a digital teacher. It can help with homework, assignments, exam preparation, concept explanation, note summaries, and English improvement. Students can save hours of study time and understand difficult topics easily with the help of ChatGPT. Uses for business freelancing. For business owners and freelancers, ChatGPT is a powerful productivity tool. It helps in writing professional emails, creating marketing content, writing product descriptions, preparing business plans, and generating client proposals. Freelancers can use ChatGPT for blog writing, copywriting, social media captions, and script writing to earn money online. Content creators can use ChatGPT to generate YouTube scripts, video ideas, titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. It also helps in writing Instagram captions, Facebook posts, and TikTok scripts. With ChatGPT, creators can save time, stay consistent, and grow faster on social media platforms. How to use ChatGPT? Using ChatGPT is very simple. Just open chat.openai.com, create a free account, and start typing your questions. You can use ChatGPT on your mobile phone, laptop, or tablet. It works anytime, anywhere, and helps you become more productive and creative. Future conclusion. In the future, AI tools like ChatGPT will become part of daily life. From education to business and content creation, AI will change the way we work. If you want to stay ahead in 2026, start learning and using ChatGPT today. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.